after exploring the interesting facts about dogs in the previous video. This video will introduce you to another animal that is also very close to humans. That is the cat. You will be surprised to know the facts about them. 1. Cats can be allergic to humans. According to a study by scientists at the veterinary hospital in Scotland in 2005, 1 out of every 200 cats has a risk of developing asthma, and the main cause is humans. The reason is that cats are usually kept indoors more than let loose, so they are prone to respiratory diseases due to cigarette smoke, dust, human dandruff, pollen or waste. And in a few rare cases, humans can also infect their pets with the flu. 2. Cats suffer from many diseases similar to humans. Cats can suffer from more than 250 genetic disorders, and many of them are similar to those in humans. A genetic defect in the DNA of cats can cause retinitis pigmentosa, a disease that affects 1 in 3,500 people. Another virus that causes immunodeficiency in cats is also believed to have a genetic correlation with the HIV disease of the century. Cats even have their own Alzheimer's disease. Unlike humans, they can become obese. In fact, about 55% of the cats in the United States are victims of overweight. 3. Cats are not colorblind. Contrary to many rumors that both dogs and cats cannot distinguish different colors, studies have proven otherwise. In a scientific experiment, neuroscientists connected the brains of cats to computers and showed them different color charts. The results showed that the brains of cats reacted differently and distinguished the different colors they saw. 4. The brain of a cat is more complex than that of a dog. The brain of a cat is considered quite small, accounting for only 0.9% of the body mass. But according to a study conducted by Psychology Today, the brain of a cat has an unexpectedly large number of folds, with a structure similar to the human brain up to 90%. Cats have about 300 million nerve cells, while this number in man's best friend is only 160 million. 5. Cats can live peacefully with dogs. Many people still think that dogs and cats are two enemies who cannot share the same sky and therefore cannot live together. However, a study conducted in 2008 at Tel Aviv University showed that if these animals meet, when they are young, 6 months for cats and 1 year for dogs, they can become good friends. 6. Disrupting the habits of cats, and they will get sick. Healthy cats can also get sick if you disturb their daily habits. Like sensitive people who are not used to change, your pet cat may have symptoms such as defecating indiscriminately, vomiting and loss of appetite. 7. Cats do not eat sweets. One reason for the sweet aversion in cats is that they do not perceive sweetness. A defect in the gene encoding is the cause of the loss of the ability to perceive sweetness, something that mammals usually have. 8. Cats know how to demand. Cats mimic the way children cry to demand what they want. When hungry, they will meow at a frequency of 220 to 250 Hz or whine at a lower frequency. This is similar to the crying behavior of children and makes adults unable to ignore them. Another gesture that cats often use is rubbing their heads, leaning against their owner's legs, according to experts. This behavior will make their owners feel their affection and will pet and feed them. Hope you had a relaxing time with the new things from this video. Thank you for watching and see you again in the next video.